As part of the pre-Christmas festivities, the chairperson of the AITC, Mamata Banerjee, attended the Peace and Goodwill Concert hosted by Meghalaya TMC on the evening of 13th December at Windermere Resort in Shillong, alongside esteemed dignitaries and guests. Upholding the festive cheer, the AITC Chairperson lit the Christmas tree and cut the Christmas cake. The event began with a peace prayer by Father Richard of the All Faith Forum, followed by soulful performances by choir groups that include On Tribe from Nagaland, Abdil from Mizoram, and Khmer from Meghalaya. Adding to the celebrations, Mamata Banerjee participated in several fun-filled activities with children from different orphanages. She also met with tribal headmen from the Khasi and Jaintia Hills, eminent members of the civil society, and prominent influencers of Meghalaya based out of Shillong. The evening came to a close on a memorable note with a message of peace and harmony echoing ahead of the holy festival.